Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skills. Now we are going to learn about imperative sentence. Already we learned in the direct speech of imperative that imperative sentence does not have subject because the subject you is usually understood. So imperative sentence begins or starts with a present verb, that is V1 or base form of verb. A sentence that expresses a command, request, or a desire, advice, suggestions is called an imperative sentence. For example, serial number 1, come in. Here we don't write subject. If you write subject you come in, it is changed into assertive sentence. So we don't write subject, that is come in. It is imperative. Come here. Second, third, go out. Fourth, get out. These two are same meaning, but go out is just polite, get out is it is not polite. Fifth, sit down. Sixth, sit right. Seventh, stand up. Eighth, stand there. Ninth, take it. If we want to write in the place of it, for example, take this book or that book or your book or my book, like that. 10. Give it. Here also in the place of it we write other examples. Give your book, give your pen, take my pen, take this pencil, like that. Serial number 11, listen to me. 12th, speak English. 13th, read slowly. 14th, write down. 15th, stop talking. 16th, try again. 17th, help him. 18th, open the door. 19th, close the window. or shut the window. 20th, take your book. For example, another items like that, take your pen, take your pencil, take your bag, like that. 21. Open page number 9 in your textbook, like that. You can tell any page number. For example, I write here page number 9. 22. Look at the time. 23. Go to office room. 24th. Write on the board. 25th. Bring a piece of chalk. 26th. Button up your shirt. For example, some students don't button up their shirts. So, teacher says that button up your shirt. 27th. Clean your hands. It is very need in the period of corona. 28th. Comb your hair. We don't write here hairs. There is hair is plural also. It is plural also. Hair singular plural is only one word, that is hair. Don't write hairs. Comb your hairs. 29th. Watch online classes. 30th. Tell me the truth. 31. Give me a pen. In this place, give me a pencil, give me your book, like that. 32. Go to your place and sit down. Go to your place. 33. Put it on the table. In the place of it, some other items also, like that. Put your notebook on the table. Put your pen on the table, like that. 34. Speak politely with elders. The 34 are positive imperative sentences. If we add don't, before it changes negative. For example, first one, don't come in. Second one, don't come here, like that. If we want write request, we add please before to it or after it. For example, please, comma, come in, or come in, comma, please, and full stop. It is request. Don't come in is order or command. If we want to write negative request, we write that don't come in please, or please don't come in. So each one we practice 4 types. From 35 to 51 are negative imperative sentences. Don't disturb. These also we will write 3 other types. For example, don't disturb, comma, please, and full stop. Or please, comma, don't disturb, and full stop. Each one we will practice 4 types. 36. Don't make noise. 37. Don't forget books. 38. Don't write with pen. That means write with pencil. 39. Don't talk in the class. 40. Don't read loudly. 41. Don't speak to him. 42. Don't push the table. 43. Don't pull the table. It is opposite to push. 44. Don't believe her. 45. Don't switch on the fan. Negative is opposite is don't switch off the fan. 46. Don't sleep in the class. 47. Don't sleep. 48. Don't watch TV always. 49. Don't wait for me. 50. Don't irritate me, comma, please, and full stop. It is negative request. 51. Please, comma, don't sit here, and full stop. Because It is a social distance for coronavirus. We follow it. Please don't sit here. This 51 into 4 is equal to 204. We practice other three and we use two useful verbs for practice to improve our speaking knowledge in the imperative sentence. It is very useful to our daily speaking. Thank you.